If there's a Ford in need, I am the man indeed. I will find them. I will fix them. I'll love them. And you know, I'm going to drive the shit out of them. I am the Ford aficionado. Welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome back, Ford aficionado. Back at it again. What's going on, guys? So today I want to tell y'all a little bit about TPMS in your vehicle. Now, all modern cars for a long time have had TPMS. Since around 2005, maybe? Somewhere around that time. And what it is TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, has a sensor on your valve stem that monitors the pressure in your tire and sends it to a computer and sends it to the dash. Now, this is a 2000 Commander Limited 5.7 4x4. It's got 1,000 miles on it. And as you will see, my driver rear sensor is not working. Hasn't worked in a long time. It started acting up this past winter when it got really cold. And what would happen is during the early morning, the driver's side wouldn't work. And then when I headed home at night, the driver's side would work, and then the passenger side wouldn't work at night. Driver's side wouldn't work in the morning, passenger side wouldn't work in the evening. So the passenger side seems to be working fine now. Now the weather's warmed up, but the passenger driver rear is completely dead. And Sunday I'm gonna get Tim to replace it. So here's what bugs me. You see all these people out here with the tire light on, and you know, some mechanics will tell you, "Oh, don't worry about that. It costs a fortune to fix your TPMS system. Just buy a $10 tire gauge." That is honestly stupid. Because let me tell you something. At Walmart, your sensors, these TPMS sensors, as you can see, wait a minute. Okay, never mind. Anyway, as you can see, there's a little sensor inside the valve stem, and they just wear out over time. This is, almost going on 20 years. So these sensors just wear out eventually. Now, I did have the front two replaced when I bought this thing 3 years ago. And but the sensors themselves are $30 a piece here at Walmart. The sensors are $30 a piece, and it's $10 to put in. So $40 a piece, so 40, 80, you know. So if somebody tells you not to worry about fixing your TPMS, look at them and tell them they're stupid. Because it's not that expensive, and it can be done. Because, to be honest, do you really want to sit here and be driving down the road and see that tire light flashing off and on the entire ride, either to work or home or whenever you're driving? It gets on my nerves. That's why I'm trying to hurry up and get it fixed. Or hear that ding every time saying service TPMS. It gets on my nerves. I'm ready to get it fixed. I don't mind spending $40 having my sensors replaced, and you shouldn't either. If you don't like having lights on your dash like I don't, then spend the $40 a piece. It's not that big of a deal. It is